Hey everybody, it's Mr. Balloon Wizard here. It's been a little while since I put up a video and a video balloon tutorial. Well, I had my good friend James asked me today, James Smith, Mr. Me, if I knew how to make a good cow because he's got a Chick-fil-A. And I said, yes, I do. So I wanted to share that with you and with him so everybody could see. And here is my cow hat, which I've taught a few years ago. And I like to share it with you guys. And so you guys can all see how to make it as well. So you start off with a 260 white, inflate it, leaving probably about a couple inches, let a little air out. Remember, we're making a hat. Make a 1-inch bubble and make an ear twist. Make another bubble about 5 fingers. Another bubble and lock that in with the ear twist. And then another bubble to roll through, just like so. And squeeze the end a little bit and stretch it. That's the hat. Take the tip, roll that in. Again, it's a quick, cute, and easy cow hat. We call her Betsy, the girl. Okay, she'll look like this. Then I take a heart. I have a metallic heart here. I'm going to use some bling, of course, little LED light. Put that inside the balloon, just like so. Inflate it. About like that. Tie it. Wrap this inside the front, as you can see my hat. So it looks like that. Then you want to get a 160 black to make the ears and the horns. Inflate it. Hopefully these won't pop. They're not the freshest ones. These are my COVID supply. Make an ear, round and around. Another loop, round and around. Cut this off. Try to save this piece as you retie it for the horns. And I'll leave that down there as I secure this piece. And knot it. I like to knot mine twice, just to make sure. And then we want to gently roll it through here, the back bubble. It looks like that. Okay. The horns, you want to tie this piece. Get your scissors and cut it just like so. Split it evenly. And wrap this around the ear tip on the top. Oh, that's getting out of here. Which these are happening a lot. These are an old stash. So let's do it again. And that happens. I'll rip the rest of this off. Just like that. A little more air out. Tie it. Cut the excess off. And put it in the middle. Grab my balloon. Just like that. Let's get the bling. I have some of these larger googly eyes. I like the big ones. We like to bling it out for the LED lights, the googly eyes, make it fun. I'm all about the bling, as you guys know. Bling, bling, jam. And the bling, bling balloon guy. Okay. Put that one right there. And we'll get this one right here. I have no nails. There we go. Okay. And I'll make this a girl, so I'll take out my Sharpie. I have a great marker from All American Balloons. I love their markers. I'm going to do some eyelashes and an eyebrow, eyelashes. So it looks like that. We'll do the nose or the snout, whatever you call it, in backward circles. I think that looks okay. Okay. That was kind of big right there. And then I'll do some spots for the cow. Again, I just want to do this quickly because my friend needs this. And I figured I'm leaving on an airplane tomorrow, and I wanted to get this out because he's a good friend and wanted to make sure I delivered and share with all you guys. So here's your quick cow hat. Hope you guys like it. It's great for Chick-fil-A. I used to have a restaurant here in Boston called the Hilltop Steakhouse. It was a great place with cows out front. This was my balloon I made just for them, and hope you guys enjoy it. Love your comments. I'll be bringing more stuff on you guys to teach. It's like some simple stuff, and my channel is not totally about that, but we'll be keeping it going. So over and out for now, and thanks for watching.